So let's start with the pain points that we had and how we turned them into success factors. So the first thing we had, real-time software metering. We had capabilities there, but in a siloed approach. Continuous data backhaul. You need to have insights into what your products do out there on the field. Get a centralized data orchestration to connect all of that. We had no seamless sharing across of that data in our business segment. The fifth one in the row, putting intelligence on top of that. Knowledge is the enabler for everything, but the important question is, what do you do with that knowledge? And we had basically nothing there to make use of it. Talking about these siloed responsibility areas and knowledges, which were preventing optimization, licensing, and security. We also had entitlement capabilities, delivery and update. And the fourth element, analytics. Putting Sensors corporate memory in the center, in the heart of it, we were able to make those four so far siloed dots a one common ground of knowledge. So all of these domains were built up in a centralized knowledge graph, ontology, taxonomy, covering all of these aspects and finally unifying all of these domains and make them shareable across all our business segments to make use of it. On the next slide, we will then see how such a use case could look like. The left side, product R&D, build and test. On the right side, where it says digital software deployment, that's the area of really deploying the stuff. On the top, you have the engagement factors with the customer, the marketplace. And right in the center of this entire ecosystem, there's where we have our so-called software delivery platform, in which the core element is the corporate memory system. And there, all of these knowledge factors are unified. So it doesn't matter if you approach this entire journey from the R&D side of things, from the field side, deployment side, or from a customer side. All of the events that might happen on each of these segments is in a unified way connected in that central knowledge orchestration layer so that we can make use of it. What have we gotten out of it? We had the pain points at the beginning. Now we have turned them into success factors. We have now real-time software metering. We have a continuous data backhaul, centralized linked data orchestration, and we have a seamless integration to all our different business segments who have direct real-time access to the data, to the knowledge, to make use of it, and to put their perspective on top of it to make use of the knowledge we have gathered there. Some key achievements. The first one right on the left, energy consumption. Mobile services that we offer are consuming a lot of energy. And when you have the opportunity to digitize your knowledge about how your products are performing and making use of the resources they are working on in such a way that you can put intelligence on top, which lets you optimize your entire network, that's when you really make use of energy saving potentials. Same thing goes for performance. Business volume as such, business models which we never thought of are just now materializing because of the fact that we have knowledge about it. The throughput time could be reduced by almost 100%. Product innovation cycles, the better insights and the better knowledge you get to your developers, the better they can innovate your product. Why have we done that with the folks from Essenza? Well, for me, when I had to make that decision, I was looking out for some element, some solution, which was enabling me to overcome these challenges as I was describing. That's where the corporate memory really shined. That's why we used it. And that's what we still use today. We are further developing it. Our knowledge graph is hugely growing every day. And check out the folks from Essenza with their new community edition sandbox. It helped me to celebrate knowledge. I think it will also help you.